Yes.
Southeastern Texas, Central Matagorda County in southeastern Texas, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. 12:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The geothunderstorm was located near Bay City, moving you 15 miles per hour.
Yes.
Quarter-size hail, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, central Matagorda County in southeastern
Dear
Texas,
friend
until
and
6
beloved
Central
comedian,
Daylight Time. At 5:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bay City, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bay City, Markham, Van Leck, and Wadsworth. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Get ready for the Core Buster